Hey guys, welcome back. It is Vlogmas day 10. I'm still so sorry about losing day 8. I don't know what happened. But it is day 10 and we are going to open a bunch of stuff. And I can't believe it's like 3 days until we run out of a bunch of our 12-day advents. But the 2 additional 12-day planner-related advents are here. I don't know if the third one's going to make it before Christmas because now apparently the Postal Service in England is like striking every couple of days. So I don't know if it's going to get here or not. My guess is no. But when it does get here, we will open the whole thing if it comes after Christmas. We're definitely opening that. And all of our non-planner advents are 24 days. So we will be going all the way to Christmas Eve. Never fear, we will have content. I've also got a bunch of other videos coming up. All my stuff is coming in from Black Friday. And what else? Looking at different kinds of planners. I still have to pick my planners for next year, and it's December 10th. I'm getting a little worried because I'm really indecisive this year. I'm still waiting for something to get here that might be a planner I use this year, and that won't be here until like the 14th. But moving right along, let's open some stuff. Alright, so let's start, as we so often do, with Anna Bean, one of the nicest people on the planet. Okay. What do we got today? More tissue paper. Let's put my little trees over here. I love the little trees. What do we got here? We have 2-in-1 correction tape and glue tape. Oh, that's neat. Okay, so one side of this side is white out, and this side is like a tape runner. That's cool. That would fit way better in my little bag than those two, like, bigger round ones. That's neat. Okay, we're going to put that in there. I think really, though, to be fair, we should take it out of, because who's going to carry this around in the packaging? Like, as it is, I keep staring at the jelly roll box and going, that really shouldn't be in there. It's taking up too much space just because of the box. But I just opened, like, a box of 8 or 10 jelly rolls, so it doesn't seem right to open another one. But this we can do. Just have to separate the recycling bits into 2 different containers. Okay. More recycling. Alright, what's next? Oh, and a sticker book. Why do I always almost forget the sticker book when I love the sticker book? I don't understand why I do that. Okay. So we are on day 10. Kindness is love made visible. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. Kindness starts with 1. Believe there is good in the world. Kindness begins with me. Kindness, I've discovered, is everything in life. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. Compassion, kindness, love. And then there's all these little hearts. And then we've got, you are lovely, you are strong, you are beautiful. Beautiful, be you, beautiful. And you are courageous. That's cool. We only got 2 days left. There's only 2 days left of those. Okay. Speaking of 2 days left. 2 days after today. Let's be clear on that. This is 2 more days after today. Alright, so we're gonna do JoJo Paper Shops. JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. Wow. It's always a mouthful, but it's just getting me today. I'm gonna put that with my tissue paper collection. Okay, so let's do the floral one first, because the shiny is just like, it's like, why is it shiny? What's the shiny? Ooh, clear stickers. These are pretty. Nice, delicate, kind of neutral florals. And what do we have in here? This is the luxury advent. This one is 24 days, or actually I think it said 25. This one is 12. And we've got October. I love the blue pumpkins. That's cool. That's really cool. Okay. I'll put these away a little bit. Planny thing. What we got today? Oh, cute. Purple and gold washi. That's very cute. Certainly useful. I'll pop that in the pen bag too. And do I have anything over here? No. So now it's Archer's Olive. Okay, there's 3 days left in this box. We have still not gotten a paint pan. I'm losing hope, guys. I'm losing hope. washi tape. And it's a whole bunch of candy, which is the theme of the box, but okay, so all different colored candy. It's very cute. Okay, got 2 more to go in there. Alright, writing tools. DEK 10 is one of the giant ones. Get this washi tape off of my hands. Doesn't want to leave me. There we go. Alright. Let's see what Erin Condren's got for us today. This is a dual-tipped marker or highlighter. Let's see. Do I have anything over here besides... I feel bad I keep using all of Amber's post-it notes to test pens. So maybe I'll leave this out. We'll use this. Okay, yeah, this is a highlighter. So that's a green chisel tip. And then this is more like a marker. It's like a fine point. So like... if I had a steady hand, which I don't, you could highlight like just the dots, like it's very thin, or you could write with it. That's very cool. In our bag it goes. Okay, recycling. I'm going to miss those little red things. Okay, now non-planner stuff. Away so that it doesn't get damaged. There we go. Alright, let's do a Funko Pop. I've got my kids trying to find me storage for these. So I was like, there's like 48 of them and I don't have anywhere to put them. So they're looking for storage. If you know where there is storage, please drop it in the comments. Okay, day 10. And blue is this year? Yeah, blue is this year. Red is last year. We have both. And we've got Bellatrix. Should we set her on fire, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, stay in your jail cell this time. Okay. Not my favorite character. Okay, what else we got here? Let's do chocolate. We need to find the 10. Okay, I just closed it really well. I was like, wait a minute, do we have something from day 8 we can open? We don't. I just closed it really well. Okay, day 10. Ooh, should be cherry cordial. Not as good as the last one, but it's not bad. Let's do our blue Harry Potter. I should be able to show you day 8 from in here. Yep. These are cards with their Patronuses on them. So, I made a comment in yesterday's video about Ron's because I didn't know that it was a dog until I opened this. So, that is a dog. And I had Hermione's wrong too. I already forgot what it was. And of course, Dumbledore's Phoenix. So, those were day 8. Now we will find day 10, which is that big one. What's in here? Oh, I see more gold strings. What do we got? Is that it? That is it. So my guess is that this is, what are you? The mirror of Erised? Yeah. Okay, so we've got an ornament, and it's supposed to be the mirror of Erised, which, if you didn't know, is desire backwards. And there's a little thing on the side, so you can slip something in here. So like what you would want to see in it, you can put in there. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, let's do coffee. 24 cups of cheer is not entirely accurate, but there have been some good things in here and some surprises. Day 10. We got hot chocolate. This is going to be a happy Emily who will be having that because hot chocolate is her favorite. She's gonna like that a lot. Okay, so we're gonna try this Swiss Miss hot cocoa and Emily's gonna drink it. What size?
I'll say 8.
Okie dokie. We'll be right back. Okay, so that's really hot.
Good.
Use the spoon.
Yes. Magic spoon. So without any add-ons, just the cocoa itself, without adding like mocha or anything to cool it, it's pretty good. Give it like a 6, 7 out of 10. But I usually do like to add milk to hot cocoa because it helps cool it a little bit and adds more of like a creaminess to it.
Okay.
So we're gonna do that now.
Okay.
Got some milk. Beep, 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 beep. Hand reveal.
Better yours than mine.
Okay, cool. Alright. No, that's a Swiss Miss cocoa.
Okay. She's dancing, so that means it's good.
If Swiss Miss got 100 fans.
Oh, don't start with this again. Since we did coffee, let's do tea. Day 10, where are you? Here we go. Elderberry and echinacea. A rich embrace tingling with fruity warmth. Their idea of fruity and my idea of fruity are different, so we'll see about that. There's one here, yeah, day 18. I don't do licorice, so one of my kids is gonna have to try that. Okay, so now I'm gonna try this elderberry and echinacea tea because the boy isn't here and I don't know when he's coming home. Okay, so I brewed it longer, like they said to on the directions, and I'm gonna be honest, this does not smell very good. I'm concerned. Oh God. Okay. Well, there is zero sweetness here. There's some weird aftertaste, which I assume is, I don't even know what. There's some weird aftertaste here. It's a pretty color, kind of like that one that tasted like fruit punch. I'll try adding some sugar, but I don't think it's going to be any better. Okay, so I put my monk fruit in, and I am getting like fruitier notes now, but it's still got that horrible aftertaste, so I don't know what that is. I grow echinacea. It doesn't taste like that, so my guess is elderberry, which I have seeds to grow, and I was going to grow, and then like somebody else I knew grew it, and they were like, this is disgusting, don't grow this. So I don't know, because people rave about it, so it might just be this tea, I don't know. But I don't like it, and I don't recommend it. Maybe I should like see if like Celestial Teas or something, Bigelow, one of them, if they do, Lipton even, a tea advent, because I'm not thrilled with what we've gotten in this one so far. In fact, I think in the comments on another video I recommended to Anna Bean, I always say her name wrong, Anna Bean, not to get this one, to look for something else. Alright, let's do the Funko Pop. This is last year's calendar. This is number 10. And which one are you? Because we have things attempting to move around in here. Oh no. Oh, it's just one. Ah, it's poorly packaged, that's why. I think we have a Weasley in here. Let's see, red hair. Yes, we do in fact have George Weasley. Very cool. Did I just drop him? I did. I dropped him on his head. I'm sorry, George. Okay. And our last advent, which we'll go with, of course, the hot cocoa and the tea. Probably more so the hot cocoa. Our Walker's shortbread. Now, need to find the 10. So if you see it, shout it out, because I don't see it. 24, 6, ah, there we go. All the way over here in the corner. All the way over here. Ah, another caramel one. These are good. Won't really go with the hot chocolate. But, you know, it's shortbread. I'm going to eat it anyway. So, okay, so that is all of our Advent stuff. At some point today, the 500 subscriber giveaway will finally be drawn and we'll finally go online. So I'm very excited about that. So in order to get to the next giveaway, we need to get to 1,100 subscribers. So it's the same 500 plus another 100. So if you're not subscribed, and apparently 80-something% of you are not, why not? Just hit the subscribe button. It's the same number of videos, whether you subscribe or not. So hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. And when we get to 1,100, we will be doing this again. So good luck to everyone who entered. And you can find that on the channel somewhere sometime today. So thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one.